Retorts are utilized across plants to thermally process packaged, ready-to-eat products. The product packages are heated using steam, either directly or through hot water that is generated by steam. Adhering to the time, temperature, and pressure profile is crucial to ensure food safety and achieve desired shelf life. Common issues faced by plants include extended batch times, packaging damage and product loss, overheating or underheating of the product, higher energy consumption by 15 to 20%, poor condensate and flash recovery. Due to variations in steam flow and pressure, condensate logging in the heat exchanger due to incorrect steam trap selection, ineffective air evacuation from the retort. These issues also cause uneven temperatures during the holding time, resulting in over or under processing. Overprocessing can lead to undesirable changes in product attributes, thermal shock to the packaging, rejections, and increased energy consumption. Underprocessing can compromise food safety and shorten shelf life. Additionally, conventional controls on water temperature and flow can cause deviations in cooling time, impacting batch times, packaging integrity, and product quality. The comprehensive solution from Forbes Marshall encompasses precise control of steam pressure, temperature, and water flow, air removal, effective condensate evacuation, complete condensate and flash steam recovery, heat recovery from the cooling cycle. Our solution delivers consistent process parameters, optimum batch time, lowest energy consumption,